Unlock the science that not only targets the advanced signs of aging, it fights the reasons why they appear. Timewise Repair, the most sophisticated age-fighting skincare from the Mary Kay Research Center. The patent-pending Voluferm complex is so vital to skin recovery, it's in every Timewise Repair Set product. So you experience advanced age-fighting benefits like never before. And based on a 12-week clinical study, an independent skin measurement expert saw these significant changes after women used the Timewise Repair regimen. Restore what was lost. Lift away the years. Put the science of Timewise Repair to work for you. See more results with 2 advanced skin supplements. Available exclusively through your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant.